Hello everybody. Well, after a few computer crashes and reinstalling the operating system and some holidays, I'm back. So Bitcoin, I see everybody is greedy if you look at the fear and greed index, but I'm questioning whether it's really the case. Because when we look here at the Binance Oscillator, then we can see we are in the green. So that means that the current Bitcoin price is mainly dominated by spot buyers, so not by leveraged traders. And as far as history goes for this indicator, we never topped when we were in the green. So as we can see here, this top here we were red. We did come down, and then here, for example, this top red, we did come down. This top over here, red, coming down, and then also here red, and then we had this correction. So that's as far as the history goes. So for the moment also we are above all the anchored VWAPs, so that's also still positive. So currently we are in a downwards channel, which should also be positive in my opinion, because I think soon we're gonna break out to the upside. I think especially when Trump becomes president, then it will be quite bullish for the crypto market. Also the hash ribbon, nothing to see here, so miners are not selling. Then on this chart also nothing special to see here. So we have this, let's zoom out to the weekly. Let's make it full screen. So here we have this channel we're operating in, and we did come above, and now we're retesting the top of the channel again. So that's also still bullish in my opinion. So looking at the algos on the 1 hour, so a bit choppy as far as the algo goes. So here we did short, was a loss. Here we did go long, was a loss. Short was a loss, long was a loss, and this short looks like it will be a loss again, but hopefully we get a pump which would give enough profit to offset the losses over here. So for Ethereum, here we had this nice move up, then we had the short. This one got closed out with a little loss. Did go long here, was a loss, and now in a short position. So here we're gonna have to see what it will bring. Then the other algos, so Bitcoin on the daily. So what do we have? A buy signal from the ATR algo. So the long signal was given yesterday. Ethereum still in a short position, and let's see, currently slightly in profit, but it looks like this one might close out as well with a loss. Solana, so also here in a short and currently in a slight loss. Actually, if we would close above this trigger line, then it would still be a small loss, so that's okay. XLM, also here buy signal, that was on the 1st of January, and since then we're moving nicely upwards. Oh, sorry. Then let's have a look. XRP doing very well. So we got several buy signals. Let's see, 1, 2. And today we will get the exit signal. So why? That's because of this long wick we had here earlier today. It's a bit unfortunate because I think it will go much higher, but yeah, that's how it goes. So this one will close out in profit. Then Gala, also here still in a short, and it looks like even if we go long above the trigger line, that we will end up with a profit, because the short signal was over here at 0.0477, and the trigger line at this moment is below that level, so this one would close out in a profit. But currently we still have the anchored VWAP, which is around this trigger line, so who knows, maybe we might find some temporary resistance there. And then TON, yeah, nothing here. We got the exit signal, and since then it's going more or less sideways. Then traditional markets, so we have gold. So currently I'm trading gold in this Fibonacci compression. So we have this high, the low, then we did come up to at least the 0.618 retracement. We did come back again to the at least this 0.618, but we never took out, or at least we never closed below the first low. So that's a good one to trade. So first take profit would be around this, just a bit below the all-time high, which is good. And then I'm looking for 2,877 as a major take profit, and then I will leave a small position open to around $3,000. And then for silver, which is currently above all the anchored VWAPs, so that's also looking positive. So currently in a downward channel, and it looks like today we're going to break out. Nasdaq, we got the exit signal a few days ago, and that was, yeah, that's a bit unfortunate. That's a loss from all the buying up here. Euro USD, yeah, still in a short position. This one still doesn't look good, below all the anchored VWAPs. I think this one we can remove as well. That's no longer support, clearly. Crude oil is quite interesting. This one, it's coming down today. Okay. So far we had the buy signal here on the 2nd of January. And since then we have been going through all the resistances from the anchored VWAPs. So this resistance line I can delete as well. And then this one, I'll leave this one. Maybe this one will become support later on this week. So crude oil looking good. And then copper, yeah, is also doing very well. So clearly support on the anchored VWAP, again support on the anchored VWAP. And since then we have been going up. All the anchored VWAPs, we are leaving them behind, and the algo gave a buy signal yesterday. And then the stock market, so Apple, let's see, still in a long position. So we bought nicely the bottom up here. Adobe got an exit signal, so this is in a clear downtrend. Amazon looks like a bit of a downward channel. We got the exit signal. That's a nice profit. So who knows, maybe we will break out to the upside and continue higher. Alibaba, also nothing to mention here, just retesting previous lows. Walt Disney, exit signal near the top, so this was also a good trade, since then coming down. Google, this one is actually also a Fibonacci compression, so this is an interesting one. Let's have a look. And this is again the wrong window. This is better. So if I would draw some trend lines, yeah, maybe we can make it a bit steeper like this to make it more obvious. This is the low. So we have the high, we have the low. We did come back to at least the 0.618, so almost to the all-time high. We did come back again to at least the 0.618, and so now we're looking for a continuation of the trend and for a breakout to the upside. Let's have a look. The algos did a very good job. So we've been buying in September, so at the bottom, and since then in a nice profit. MasterCard, there we get a buy signal today, yeah. And then McDonald's got an exit signal last week, and this one closed out in a loss, and since then it's coming down. Meta got an exit signal near the top, so that's good. Same for Microsoft. Nike exit signal end of December. That trade was a loss. Nvidia, let's zoom in a bit. So we have the high over here. We did reject from the all-time high. Okay. So currently nothing to see here for the moment. So we also got an exit signal here. And then we have Palantir, which recovered quite well, it seems, from the bottom on the 13th of January. So we got an exit signal at the top. So this was a trade in profit. Tesla, we were buying around here, beginning of December, and the positions are still open. So Nasdaq, we already had that one, and then the S&P 500, we got an exit signal. Yeah, at this low on the 20th of December. So also here it looks like we're in a downwards channel. So maybe there's again some room to come up to retest the all-time highs. And yeah, I think that's it. Just for gold. For the moment, in US dollar terms, we're currently in this Fibonacci compression. But if you would look on the the gold euro chart, then you would see we make new all-time highs. So the euro is looking very, very weak. All right, that's an update for now. Thanks. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.